WORYOIL. WORYOIL. What does this word mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about WORYOIL. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 198. WORYOIL. This is pronounced as a three-syllable. The first syllable is wo, second syllable is yo, and the third syllable is il. Pronounce it with me. WORYOIL. WORYOIL. The word WORYOIL is the Korean term for Monday, as in the day of the week. Again, WORYOIL is Monday. How do we write WORYOIL in Hangul? Let's start with the first of the three syllables. To be able to write the syllable wo in Hangul, we need to draw first a no sound iyang, followed by an u character, followed by the o character, followed by the real character. Take note that the wo sound is actually formed from the combination of the u and o sound. Now for the second syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound iyang, followed by the yo character. And for the last syllable il, we need to draw first a no sound iyang, followed by an e character, followed by a real character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word WORYOIL. Now let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, today is Monday. Today is Monday. The Korean translation of this sentence is 오늘은 월요일입니다. Again, 오늘은 월요일입니다. By the way, the 월 part of the word 월요일 means moon, and the yoil part means day of the week. Looking back to our example sentence, it could be subdivided into three parts. First part is 오늘은. The word 오늘 means today, and we just added 은 as the subject particle. The word 월요일 is our word for today, and we already know that it means Monday. And at the end of 월요일, we added 입니다. 입니다 is used to say or declare that it is. So if these three are literally combined, it would result to today, Monday, it is. But the more proper way of interpreting this is today is Monday. And with that, you've just learned WORYOIL. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 188 to 197. But don't forget our word for today, word number 198, WORYOIL, which means Monday. Word number 197 is 부터, which means from. Word number 196 is 생일, which means birthday. Word number 195 is 닥쳐, which means shut up. Word number 194 is 약속해, which means promise me. Word number 193 is 의사, which means doctor. Word number 192 is 해봐, which means try to do it. Word number 191 is 봤어요, which means saw or the past tense of the verb to see. Word number 190 is 목소리, and this is the Korean noun for voice. Word number 189 is 봄, and this pertains to the spring season. And the last for our review, word number 188 is taepong, which means typhoon. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.